Hey, Dad. Everything okay?
Christmas is coming, Tessa. It'd mean a lot to have you home for dinner. And the boys, too. Can you make it?
Of course, Dad. We'll be there. Boys, I just got a call from Grandpa. He invited us all for Christmas at the old house.
And now for the founder and CEO of Preston Tech, Mr. Roman Preston.
My eldest son, Roman. People say he's king in the tech world, but to me, he'll always be my thoughtful little boy.
Don't ever fuck with Don Marco.
And then there's Marco, my second.
Please, Don Marco. Everyone knows you run the city. I would never cross you.
Everyone whispers his name in fear, and no one knows he's the sweetest boy who couldn't pass a stray dog without bringing it home.
Please, back away. Give him some room.
Mr. Preston, 2 championships back to back.
Sir, your mom's calling.
That's Leo, my youngest. Owns the team, runs the show. But at home, he's still the troublemaker who makes me laugh.
You have to come. Promise me you'll be there.
Got it, Mom.
It's been years. I wonder how Dad and my stepmom are doing.
You can pull over just up there.
And these gifts that your son Roman got, they're worth hundreds of millions. Let me take them in there for you.
No, that's all right. I'm here for a reunion. I don't want to be too ostentatious. Let's put them in a plain bag.
Ma'am, are you sure? Once they find out who your 3 sons are, they will be eager to reunite.
I've made up my mind. Merry Christmas. Enjoy time with that family. I think we might even get a little bit of snow.
Merry Christmas. Oh my goodness, is that your new ride? Yeah. Oh, it's so fancy.
It's Aston Martin, Mommy.
Oh.
560 horses, Ma.
It's a Corvette. Oh, my golden boy, you're always arriving in style.
Merry Christmas, Mom. Bye, Dad.
All right, let's just all go in.
Stop. Wait.
Tessa.
What is she doing here?
Dad, Kate, Merry Christmas.
You show up here for the mud on Christmas? If you weren't my stepdaughter, I'd die of embarrassment.
I brought something to say thank you for inviting me.
Oh!
Careful, Tessa. I think he might be allergic to poor people. Oh, Mommy, I want you to see what I brought for Christmas.
Oh.
Well, it was 6 months of salary, but I think it was worth every penny.
Oh, baby, you spoil me.
Wait till you see what I've got, Mom.
Oh.
Rare Ming Dynasty replica.
Oh.
I think it will look perfect in a home as exquisite as yours.
Oh, oh, look at that shine. Oh, it must have got the fortune.
It wasn't cheap.
And what did you bring? You know, besides dirt and disgrace, Stepsy.
Here.
What is that, a garbage bag?
Well, yes, but it's
smells. Did you raid a bargain basement for that thing?
No, actually, this is...
Oh, Gucci, I know. I'm allergic to poor people, too.
Well, you're not going to ruin our Christmas. Someone you just take the garbage bag. Get the hell out of here.
Bye-bye.
Wow. Tessa, I'm so glad to see you.
It's good to see you.
Where are the boys?
Oh, they're working, but they're on their way.
You have to work on Christmas? I'm sorry. I understand they had to make ends meet.
Oh, Dad, they're...
No, really, I understand. Well, let's go inside. It's getting cold out here, okay?
Okay.
Watch out for them. They're a little raw.
Merry Christmas, everyone.
Shit far. Isn't that Michael's broke eldest daughter? Now what in the hell brought her back?
Merry Christmas, Tessa. Come on in and have a seat.
Watch out, Tessa. That thrift store find can't afford another tumble.
Sophia, you tripped me. And this isn't from a thrift store. It's from my son. It's custom made.
Custom? Oh, honey, I think you mean costume.
Oh, you want custom? Hey, Cuddle. This one's custom for you. Patrick, Tessa's your stepsister. Perhaps you could give her a little respect.
Well, give me a break, Michael. You gotta admit the apron suits her.
Totally her style. Cheap and tacky.
Actually, we are short on help. Tessa, darling, can you help in the kitchen?
But Kate, Tessa's our...
I didn't invite her!
It's okay. I can help in the kitchen. Dad, it's okay. I promise.
Tessa.
It's okay.
Well, well, well. Look at that, brother. Let the games begin.
Hey.
Mom, the boys just touched down. How's Grandma and Grandpa? I'm sure they're excited to see you.
They are treating me very well.
Great. See you in an hour.
Okay. Love you guys.
You good? You know, Mom. Come on, boys. Oh, slow down, Don. Theo, you're a fucking child. Boys, Mom hasn't been home in a while. She needs to be perfect. Everything I asked for, done. Mom's brother's got a son. He's a lawyer. So pulled a few strings, and now he's in our crew. Good. Yeah?
Yeah, I got Mom's nephew through tryouts. He's officially part of the Phoenix football team's roster.
Perfect. I got our niece into the company, too. This Christmas, we're going to give her a homecoming she's never going to forget. Come up. Come on.
Dad.
Tessa. So, I know your stepmother can have a little bit of a sharp tongue, but she really is a nice person. Look, I brought this from my private reserve. I thought maybe you could give it to her, to Kate, as a gift, maybe as a Christmas gift. It would help smooth things over.
Dad, thank you, but I brought a gift from Roman, and I promise it's better than anything Patrick and Olivia brought.
Just take it. Please?
Okay, Dad.
Scamming your way through Christmas now, Tessa? Yeah, we'll see how that goes.
Hey, what the fuck?
You're never gonna believe it.
What?
Daddy gave Tessa one of his Bordeaux wines. Told her to say it was her Christmas gift.
What? Is that old man crazy?
Oh, you know what's even crazier? She turned it down. Said her sons got her something even nicer.
Broke brats from a broke mom. What could they even have? Change they scavenged from the trash? Let's go. I'm gonna tear down her little lie right in front of everyone.
Or we could be smarter about it. Oh, hubby. You brought your scanner, right? You know, the one that values collectibles in real time.
It's in the trunk, yeah. Why?
We're going to stage a public takedown. Oh, wait. Tessa, you've been working hard all day. Why don't you come, sit, join us?
That's kind of you.
Oh, you wait. Before you sit, could you show us what you brought for Christmas? I mean, we're all just dying to see.
Yeah. Show us the little old treasures, honey.
Okay, I'll go get it.
No, I got this one. This is her present. This is a 1979 Bordeaux from France. This is a very, very fine wine.
What?
Hang on. 1979 Bordeaux? That ain't cheap.
Come on, Tessa. We all know that you clip coupons to buy toilet paper. Bottle's worth more than your life.
No, stop. She didn't buy it. Her sons did. All three of them now have jobs, and they bought this for us, Kate, as a Christmas present. Look, I know it's really, really a fine wine. They got it for Christmas for us.
Oh, well. I suppose they have good taste.
Oh my God! Look what I found. A receipt for Ridgeview Cellars. Customer name, Michael Burton. Daddy, did you buy this wine and are using it to cover for Tessa?
You lied to me.
Let me explain,
Wait,
okay?
don't be upset. Please just...
You think you can play little princess with your daddy and make a fool out of me, you pathetic, lying leech.
I didn't lie. Yes, that wine is not mine, but I did bring a nice gift, and it's better than anything they've been flaunting.
We get it, Tessa. Raising 3 sons all on your own, that couldn't have been easy. No one here is judging you for being broke. But being broke and acting like you're loaded, now that's just pathetic.
Exactly. You come in here with that shabby, ratty shopping bag and think that you can play high roller. Well, guess what, sweetie? None of us are falling for it.
I'm not trying to fool anyone. I'm telling the truth.
Oh my goodness. You just can't help yourself, can you? Patrick, I think we need to show this young lady some discipline.
Pleasure, Mom. You know the family rules.
No,
They've been the same since we've been children.
Stay away from me.
Are you gonna cry? No, stop! Too bad to set.
Did that sting? Did that hurt?
Please, stop.
Please, stop. Oh, you're still talking. I'm gonna shut you up for good.
Babe? I got the scanner you wanted.
What scanner?
Why don't you go ahead and sit down, Daddy? We're about to expose Tessa and her pathetic little scam.
You set me up. You knew that the wine wasn't mine, and you set me up to humiliate me.
Well, of course we did. But what? You think you're the only one who can play pretend?
I didn't pretend.
I love the confidence. I have an idea. Let's play a game. When your so-called gift doesn't match ours in value, you will get on your knees and lick the bottom of my shoe.
Oh, I'd love to see that.
That's enough, Olivia.
Oh, she won't dare.
Deal.
Tessa.
This scanner is connected to every auction house's database in the world. You scan your collectible, you get instant appraisal. All right, babe. Let's get this party started.
Okay, well, let's try mine first, okay? I paid $1,100 for this. Let's see if the scanner really works.
$1979, Chateau Margaux. Market value, $1,100.
Yep. Same price Michael said. Damn, that shit is spot on.
Me next.
Ooh.
Diamond tiara, market value $58,000.
$58,000! Oh! Kate, you and Olivia sure know how to make Christmas into a royal affair.
Go ahead, Kate. Try it on.
Uh,
This belongs on a queen.
Quick, let's lock it up before some broke so-called relative tries to steal it.
Wait. My turn.
A replica of a Ming Dynasty imperial vase. Market value, $100,000.
Oh! 100 grand? Oh my God! Kate, only you would have a son that tastes like that.
Oh, and the fortune to pull off a gift that's worthy enough to be in a museum. You must be so proud. Look, fine.
Gee, boy, this is what you might think.
Now that you've seen how much our gifts are worth, Tessa, why don't you go ahead and just lick my shoe right now, and we'll call it even. No need to further embarrass yourself.
Think we should scan my gift and then see who's embarrassed.
You fucking kidding me, Tessa? You don't even know what 100 grand is. You and those 3 idiot kids of yours couldn't cobble together 100 grand even if you worked every damn day. Not that you would.
But the 100 grand is your max, Patrick. You're not as loaded as you think you are.
Well, you just made the biggest mistake of your life. Let's up the ante. Your junk is worth 1 cent less than mine. You keep this.
Patrick, come on. I mean...
Dad? But if mine is worth less, I'll eat 2 of them. I'll even sprinkle some salt on it.
Deal.
All right, let's see what you've got.
This is my gift.
You call that piece of shit a gift?
It looks like she got it at a clearance bin.
A clearance bin? Please, don't flatter her. This belongs in the trash.
Wait, is that?
That is not just one piece of shit. It's an entire medley. No, I know what you're doing. You're trying to poison us with this piss water.
No, this is the finest wine. Just scan it.
Oh! I see what you're doing. You're trying to kill us all, you ungrateful brat.
Hold on, Mom. If she is so sure, hand the wine to me, Tessa.
Damn, that wine smells good.
It's aged, complex, full-bodied, almost historic.
No way. Could this actually be worth something?
Why would you destroy my gift?
I'm doing you a favor, Tessa. This wine, not even fit for the scanner. Might as well smash it.
Exactly. Why would we hang on to this crap? Wait for it to poison us? Don't worry. I'll handle this. Olivia. Bye-bye.
What is wrong with you?
We are exposing you, bitch. You slink in here with your tainted wine, trying to seek revenge on Mom for kicking you out years ago. Having you as a stepsister, you don't even deserve to be in this family.
No.
Did you see that? She was attacking me!
You insane! Lay a hand on my sister and then make you eat this. A deal is a deal.
Wait, you haven't scanned my gift. Are you scared?
Scared? Fine, scan it. Let's end this bullshit.